Thank you for getting this course. Thank you for getting this course about getting your own e-commerce shop on WhatsApp for free, like a free website. So the first app you're going to be needing is going to Google Play Store to get word search. That is, you have to search for the name. Just go to Google Play Store like this. You can see the name above this search menu here. Word search, WHATSHASH. So once you do this, you're going to see this logo. You see download button, then you can download it and open it. Okay, so let's say the app is opened already. The first stage is you need to do is you need to register your business, register yourself, register your email, confirm your email. Do you understand? Now once they will send you an email verification though, so you need to confirm it that okay, your email is verified and you are of a real person. So you get what I'm saying. I'm going to send you those screenshots, so you just follow it. They are just simple screenshots in the group. Okay, so this is it. The first thing you need to do is you click on your info. Okay, so as you are registering, you might have been told to upload a profile image, cover image, business name, about your business, then choose your home country or put your address, blah blah blah, or something like that. So that is it. Well, now as for the profile image, your logo is advised to be put there. That is your business logo. Do you understand now? Your business logo, or your own picture, rather, your corporate picture. That is very very good. And your cover image might be the image of your products. Okay, let's say you are into skincare or you are into bags or something. It might be a picture of your collections or the picture of your shop, your physical shop or something like that. So you go down, your business name, I have input Ayatolani Sales Solution. You type it, you input your business name. Then about your business, you can type something longer. So this can serve as your website. You get what I'm saying? This can serve as your website stuff or things like that. You can type anything longer, or you can type something on WhatsApp, then later paste it here. So once you paste it here, then you might not have the option of going navigating down here, so you just paste it to this place. Type something good on WhatsApp, come here, paste it to this place. You just do it, paste. Are you get what I'm saying now? So once you paste it like that, then the this page language, leave it in automatic. Are you get what I'm saying? Or you could choose English, but leave it in automatic. Then the address, you can input your business address, your country, Nigeria, save it. So once you save it, you have set up the first home page of your store. That is the first home page, the page that your business, your clients or your customers are going to view. Are you get one? So your numbers, go to your numbers. Once you click on your numbers, you input your WhatsApp number here. So this is my own WhatsApp number. You will be asked to input it. Check, put your country code. Then once you have done that, it will be saved. You can add multiple numbers, but just add one number. Then the social links, click on it. You can add some more social links, maybe Twitter or something like that. You get what I'm saying? Instagram, YouTube, blah blah blah, anything. You can just add it. You see the logo on the website, the social links will be displayed. Are you get what I'm saying now? So let's go down here. The CRM, add contact, quick replies, funnels, tags. Let's leave this. Then let's go to the move to the store. Are you get what I'm saying? This dashboard is just going to show you how well people are visiting your store, your revenue, how much that has been made. You get what I'm saying? So things like that, clicks. Now this orders shows you how many orders you have gotten so far throughout the month or throughout the week. Are you getting what I'm saying now? Throughout the month or throughout the week. So that is good. Then this product section, this is where you are going to click on this product section. Once you click on this product section, but before you click on this product section, you should have created a category. So click on this category. Do you understand now? That this category, like you see on Jumia, they will say fashion, phones, different kind of place, beauty products or something like that. So like this, I've created fashions, a category, I could choose to rename it. Do you understand? Facebook ad course fashions, just for example. You could click plus here to add another one and leave it like that. Let's just say phones. Let me just say phones. Do you understand now? Or health products, for those who are into multi-level marketing. MLM, health products. So once you create it like that, you are going to see that category will be there. So then you now click on this product back, that is to be adding products that you have on ground into those categories or something like that. So you could just, this product, this health product, you could click on add products, then you add the product name, the category which is in health product, the price, the measurement, that is the measurement should be 1. You choose 1, you could type 1, then you know, either you are selling rice or something like that. So let's just say 1 pieces, this is 1 pieces, this is 1 pieces. Then you choose the picture, product description, optional, but you can put it there. And then leave this place. URL for more detail, you can input your WhatsApp chat link. Do you understand? Also in this place, that people can click automatically to join your group if you have a group or chat you. Then out of stock, you are not going to tick this on, because this means maybe the product is out of stock, that is you don't have it again, so you don't do that. Then the status, you get what I'm saying, leave it like that. Then you click on create. But let's say for instance, we have I've already created a product in this Facebook ad course, and you can see how it is. You get what I'm saying now? That is, I'm just trying to edit this. Can you see now? Facebook ads, the product name, Facebook ads video, Facebook ad is under Facebook ads video course category. Do you understand now? Then the price is 5,000 naira. Quantity option, I choose 1. This is 1. It is 1 pieces. Do you understand? So if you are selling something that deals with bottle, you choose bottle, jar, bag. You understand? 1 bag, 1 bottle, bulk or something like that. Anything that goes with it. So the description, I have to type in some little description here. SKU optional, leave this. Out of stock, I think I did not touch this one. So status, so I choose save. So once you save it like that, your product will be saved to Facebook ads. So you could click to add more products to them. You can add up to like 50. You know, it's free. So in this fashion side, I did an example for those who sell bags. Do you understand? Like I add one. This is product name, Turkish bag, category fashions. Do you understand? In the fashions category, 5,000 naira. Measurement, this is just, at this measurement means the quantity, 1 pieces, 1 pieces of bag. Do you understand? Or you could choose 1 bag or something like that. You could choose 1 bag or something like that. 1 bag or something. Then product description, this is the Turkish bag. Different things, you could just put your own description of the product, that is explaining why the product is good, why they should buy it. And you click on save. So once you click on save, you are going to see your product in all these categories, So the next thing you need to do is you have to click on what, this checkout. Let's check out this checkout. Okay, there is nothing in this checkout. We are going to, okay, minimum order amount optional, customer will not be able to place order below. Okay, let's check out the form. Is the form available here? Let's check it. Okay, now let's go to the payment option side, in order to make everything very easy or something. This payment option, we choose, normally it should be off like this, we choose pay later. Do you understand? It's on. So I'm going to give you a kind of thing right now. Once you do this, your products, once you have done these categories, these products, what you need to do is go to Chrome. I'm going to give you a website now to log into your that is your office, that is the website, logging into your account in their official website, that is your back office of the WhatsApp something. So once you go to mywhatsapp.com, you get what I'm saying, you will be told to log in through your email which you submitted for for upon registration and your password. So it's important you understand, you write them down. Are you get what I'm saying now? So once you have done that, once you log in, you are going to see this page. This page that they are going to show you now, because actually I choose to see laptop this place now. I tick this place on. You can see this mark, this blue market desktop site, so I could see a full view. I could have an experience of viewing a full view or something like that. So once you get to the page, you are going to see this page here. Do you understand? This is how you are going to see it. Okay, this is how you are going to see it. Once you log in, you go to my word search. This is the website here. Let me show you. This is the website here. Let me show you. This is it. Let me show you. Let's say we've ticked it off. So this is the website you have to go to. You understand? https then the slash and mywordsearch.com. Once you log into your account, you are going to see this. So once you see this thing, you need to click on this number. Click on your store. Click on store here. So once you click on store, then you are going to see different kind of options here. You click on, let's see, load. Once you click on store like that, you see different kind of options. Then you do what? You click on checkout. Click on checkout. Once you click on checkout, then you are going to see all this minimum order, something like this, blah blah blah, user verification. You can click on WhatsApp. So once you click on WhatsApp, do you understand now? Choose this WhatsApp official number or your WhatsApp number. Do you understand now? This thing serves as you will just receive a WhatsApp message on your number of an order. Others will not be visible in WhatsApp. So you could select your number. Do you understand now? So once you select your number, you could choose any one of, let's see this one. You could save. So once you save it, you get what I'm saying now? Once you save it, let's say someone wants to order from you on WhatsApp. Do you understand? Like on your store. Let's view the link of ours. So once you save that, you could go to, okay, let's go back to the app. Let's go back to the app. Let's go back to the app. Click on this arrow side to view our store, what we've created. So once you do that, once you click on that, you're going to see the home page like this, which we follow the step. Then and you click on, those people can just click on this store. You click on this store down here, they see your products. Do you understand? So once they see your product like that, they could either choose to let's just click on this Turkish bag. Do you understand now? They will expand it, they will see about the product or something, they can add it to cart. Let's add it to cart. So this is 1 pieces or something like that. Now once they've done that, you will see cart. You can see number 1 here. So once you click on cart here, then they can click on continue. So once they click on continue, do you understand? They click on continue here too. So they can be able to place order via WhatsApp. Do you understand? Via WhatsApp or with mobile number. So once they click on, your customer click on place order via WhatsApp, Then the thing will be redirected to your number on WhatsApp. Do you understand now? You get what I'm saying now? The thing will be redirected to your WhatsApp and will be sent to you in form of this format. Are you get what I'm saying now? It will be sent to you, to the person buying, in form of this format. So this person can choose to chat you like this. Do you understand? Click on this number to chat you, or go back to the website to click on chat with store or something like that. But this is another format whereby I find this one very 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 okay. That is the one of this one, this one that we this one I find it very very, we are using the second option first, and this is another option you can choose to use. And don't forget, on your store, whenever you are creating products, you can display up to like 50 of your products. And this is actually very free. This is free. You don't need anything to invest when trying to create your store. Are you get what I'm saying? So this is another second option that we can use, which I find, which they say this is it. WhatsApp official number. Use this to track and manage your orders. So once you click on save here, do you understand? Once you click on save on this one, then let's click on save. Let's click on save and see the way this one operates. Now we've clicked on save. Let's go back to the order page, our order page, and see how this one works. And see how this one. Let's go to the store side. Let's click on store. Let's say okay, we want to do that same Turkish bag. Add to cart. Let's add it to cart. Add to cart. It is added in the cart. Let's click on that cart. Let's click on continue. Click on continue, and you see this. Once that person place order via WhatsApp, that message, your order message, will be sent to the owner of WhatsApp. And once it's sent to them, do you understand now? Let's say the person will just click on this, and once they click on this, a message will be sent to your customer in form of this: Ayatollah Sales Solution order 2, order details, Turkish brand, your order has been, you get what I'm saying, your order is received or something like that. So this your customer can choose to chat you with this number that is down here, and they will also receive a kind of, you will also receive, one of the benefits, that you will receive a notification in your app, that is in your back office, as someone has ordered for a product. This is it. So this is it. Once you click on orders, once you check it here, you click on orders, click on open, then you can choose to chat this person, that customer, on WhatsApp here. Choose to chat them here on WhatsApp. So it's very very simple. And for those who want to link payment method, if you have Paystack, PayU, then you can choose to put to the payment section. So it's very very simple and very very, it's very very beneficial than just having your business, explaining to people about your products, sending write-up, sending different kind of write-up every single time. So this is that kind of stress for you. So thank you very much for getting it. If you are interested in running advert, we run advert for businesses, for sales. You can contact my number, which is on WhatsApp, which is this is my WhatsApp number: 09039737356. 09039737356. Thank you very much.